My favorite thing about Caapi Cottage is probably just the whole purpose of it and all the motives behind it. Tim and Jess really just built a place where you can learn to connect with nature and appreciate the island, and I'm so happy to have had my experience here and be able to bring all this stuff home.
À la Dominique est juste incroyable.
Yoga should be in nature, it's a good balance.
L'endroit est fantastique. L'eau de la rivière.
This is wonderful and comfortable tent.
Really just a transformative experience where you were just one with nature.
Really in the middle of the nature, we have the waterfalls very close. We can hear the water falling when sleeping, when resting, when walking. It's amazing.
The chefs know how to make the food really, really good.
It's the perfect environment to host any kind of group, really.
On ne peut que se ressourcer. Voilà.
I love the tent. Yeah, I love the tent. It was really luxurious. I think it's a perfect place for a retreat.
Whether it's for a yoga retreat, an artist retreat, plant medicine, meditation, mindfulness, wonderful hosts, a really special energy.